Hi guys, Dan with Index Option Trading on December the 2nd, and today is Thursday. This is the last video of the week in the market video that we start off here with a chart of RUT, R-U-T. And why am I picking on this chart? Because this is one of the most powerful indicator right now, index that is moving up higher. And what it has done here since the early months of April, when they started having financial reform bill and so on, the market started selling off here very harshly and rapidly, and there was a nasty descent here into it, and it bottomed out here right in the middle of July when this bill got passed, financial reform bill, as you remember. Those are the circumstances that led to the decline of the market and threw out a lot of investors out of the market, and they're so scared they still don't come back and they're gone. But that's what happens here to most of us. But if you look at it, what the market did is in the next month or so, it made a little bit leap here and then again made a bottom here. So it formed two double bottoms, which became a very good solid support. And then from there on, it started rising up here after summer. From September to October and November, the market rose. And finally, it started going down again. And the same fears start happening here. But if you look at it in the long picture, what this is a classical cup and handle pattern, a large size cup and handle with double bottoms here. And this is right out of the William O'Neill IBD, Investors Business Daily book. He has this book, How to Buy Stocks, and you can also get that online and elsewhere. And so what it is doing here, after forming this little bit distorted handle, it made a little bit significant here, another dent, and now the market started breaking out here to 751. Now if you want to know how far this market can go, I can give you some calculation and ideas if this is a cup and handle pattern. Let's go and take a look at the SPX. And why are we talking about it here? Because this is important to know why we're coming out and what we're doing here. Same thing here on SPX. A nasty descent here, a bottom here put here during July, a little bit top here, sideways motion, then another bottom here, and this bottom was slightly above this bottom, so it didn't undercut it. But then a rapid descent here on the other side of the cup, and then it started forming a nice handle here, right here in November. And you see that the handle formed here in a congestion pattern, and now this thing is trying to break out here above that 1230. It's about, the height of this thing is about 1227. So about 1230, 1228 would be a buy point, typically a buy point in a cup and handle pattern when you're trading those things. And so after that, if you look at it, there is no resistance to the left. So what will this market do? It has no resistance to the left. It's going to rocket off from here. How far this market will go is a very easy way to calculate. And this is how you calculate on cup and handle patterns. You take the top of the cup and the bottom here, which is almost roughly about 1222 to 1030, 1025, it's about 200 points. Add it to the top of the highest point in the cup, which is here, and that gives you 200 points plus. So the market can rocket up to 1441 or 421. And that is the estimates. Just a rough calculation. You can take the bottom, top, and the bottom here and add it up to the top of the cup with the handle, and then you will get, so the market still has another 200, 300 points to go up here, because this is the depth of the cup, and it's not going to happen to go up here right away. It's the next few months. We should be looking at it next year. Most likely it's going to keep on going here, but it needs to clear this area. Now some people would argue this is not a cup and handle. Let's just put it on here on a W pattern here, which is the weekly, and you can see how prominent this cup is here. This is forming here, this is a handle, and this is a breakout that is coming up here. So that is what is going on in the market. We're bullish on the market. Tomorrow is the employment report, and hopefully if the report comes out good, then let's see what the market, how it reacts. Most likely it's really favorable, because this is going to be the biggest employment numbers that you will see this year so far, and that will also give you a good idea where the market is going to take off. So that is the whole thing here for today. I'll add up another things, and we're looking after all the other positions which are doing very well right now, and we come back and give you another video pretty soon.